Today we are going to talk about the most expensive houses of Bollywood celebs. Before we start, hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Shah Rukh Khan. Bollywood Badshah Shah Rukh Khan owns one of the most expensive houses in the world. His home Mannat is now worth a whopping amount of 200 crores rupees. When he bought the house in 2001, the price was 13.32 crores rupees. His wife Gauri Khan has decorated the interior of the house based on the 1920s style. Mannat is now a heritage building and also a popular tourist spot in Mumbai. Priyanka Chopra. After 1 year of marriage, Priyanka Chopra and her husband Nick Jonas have bought a mansion. The mansion is located in the Encino area of Los Angeles. The mansion is worth 144 crores rupees. Their mansion has a pool, a two-lane bowling alley, a basketball court, a pool table, and lush green gardens. The house overlooks hills and sprawls over 3 acres of land. Amitabh Bachchan. Big B has been seen greeting his fans from his home Jalsa for over 3 decades now. The estimated cost of the house is around 120 crores rupees. It is hard that Jalsa was not bought by the actor. It was actually a gift from Ramesh Sippy. Ramesh was so impressed with his acting in Satte Pe Satta that he gifted the house to Big B. Other than Jalsa, Amitabh Bachchan also owns 3 other houses in the city: Pratiksha, Vatsa and Janak. Akshay Kumar. Bollywood's Khiladi Akshay Kumar owns a duplex house in the prime beach of Juhu. The house is worth 80 crores rupees. The interior designing of the house has been done by none other than his wife Twinkle Khanna. She has designed the house, keeping a pure nature-based theme. Their living room consists of a large swimming pool. It also has a 13-part pendant light installation. John Abraham. John Abraham lives in a penthouse named Villa in the Sky. It was built in 2011 and it covers 4,000 sq ft. The house consists of a living room, bedroom, balcony, terrace and a media room. It has been designed by John's brother and architect Alan. The house costs around 60 crores rupees. Shahid Kapoor. Shahid Kapoor lives in a sea-facing swanky duplex at Worli along with his family. The duplex covers the 42nd and 43rd floors of the Tower B of 360 West. The tower has luxury residences and is managed by the Ritz-Carlton. In total, their duplex is spread across 8,625 square feet. The duplex is worth 56.6 crores rupees. Hrithik Roshan. Hrithik Roshan has mindfully curated his bungalow named Paras in Juhu. The bungalow has been designed by architect Ashish Shah and costs around 50 crores rupees. The house has a number of customized elements collected by the actor himself from all around the world. The bungalow has a vending machine, a foosball table, and a billiards table. Which Bollywood celeb's house do you like the best? Let us know in the comment section. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like and share.